Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Practicing welding. So we have oxyacetylene, TIG, MIG, and this big old arc welder. It's nice to be able to have this equipment to practice with. So they told me to practice filling holes. There's a piece of copper underneath here to keep it from sticking. It's probably not going to be too good for my phone, but I want to try recording some welding. I don't know. I might fry my phone altogether. I hope not. I hope not. But let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Sizzling bacon. Let's check it out.